I. I for ice cream scoop. I C E ice C R E A M cream S C O O P scoop. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop is specifically designed for scooping hard ice cream. Ice cube trays. I C E ice C U B E cube T R A Y S trays. Ice cube trays. Ice cube trays are molds for freezing water into ice cube. Immersion Blender. IMMERSION. Immersion BLENDER. Blender. Immersion Blender. Immersion Blender is a handheld blender that can be submerged directly into food. Instant Pot. INSTANT. Instant POT. Instant Pot. Instant Pot. Instant Pot is a multifunctional electric pressure cooker. Detective question. I scoop hard ice cream. What am I? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is ice cream scoop. Guess the picture. I blend soup inside the pot. What am I? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is Immersion Blender.